Drawing for kids. Hello everyone, today I am drawing Rose. Let's draw together.